Here's a quick walkthrough on how to perform a human search using the AcuSearch feature on your Alibi Vigilant NVR. First, make sure your recorder is set to AcuTrack AcuSearch mode. This ensures it's collecting all the metadata from any cameras that have human or vehicle detection turned on. From the NVR playback menu, select the camera you'd like to review. To narrow down your results, use the analytic filters. In this example, we'll choose the pedestrian filter to focus on human activity. Next, select the desired date from the calendar and click play. The green markers on the timeline represent smart search results. Locate the person or people of interest, then click the AcuSearch icon. Draw a box around the subject and click OK. AcuSearch will automatically scan all channels on the NVR with pedestrian analytics enabled, comparing upper and lower clothing colors to identify matches. Your search results will appear as a list of clips that can be previewed and played back directly, giving you a complete picture of where and when the subject was detected across all selected cameras during the chosen time frame. This allows you to easily trace movement patterns, verify activity, and quickly locate key moments of interest. To save any of these clips, simply select the desired files and click Export or Export All. Choose your export location, click OK, and your footage will begin saving. For more information on AcuSearch and other AI features, contact your account manager today.